It's a great day on the water. So we're back at the dock on our Jeanneau 12.5 walk around, and our surveyor has just disconnected her Yamaha computer analysis computer that allows her to run a complete diagnostic on all the Yamaha systems, steering, joysticks, etc., get a full computer download. And one little thing I noticed about this boat, it's very hot today. And there are two air conditioning vents at the helm. And I didn't think they would do much because obviously it's a completely open cockpit and helm. But they blast out a lot of ice cold air for the captain. It was actually really nice. So pleasant little surprise on that. Our surveyor was very impressed by this boat. She was kind of shocked. It was a 2022. I think she thought it was almost brand new. Not surprised. Her owner is really on top of maintenance and upkeep and upgrades. And I think she's pretty impressed. We expect a good survey report. Beautiful boat going to its lucky new owner.